Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Silver has produced a possible 5-wave advance here from the B-wave low around where the low was put in place on the 2nd of May. 5 waves up means that I'm on the lookout for a 3-wave pullback. We talked about this support region already in the last video. It's defined between $27.30 and $29.83. It is possible that this is now the wave 2. And in a wave 2, the price could use this support zone as a jump off point to start a rally in a 3rd wave to the upside. How can we structure this decline? First of all, for anybody who's new on the channel, I am focusing on a bullish structure for silver, for gold as well. Yeah, I think gold and silver are in a bullish market. They have been for a while, been tracking bullish structures for a while, and it takes quite a bit of work to break that overall bullish structure. Even if we break here below this upper support zone, there is a lower one to offer support in an alternative bullish scenario. But first of all, I am watching here for a potential wave 2 pullback. There are 2 main scenarios I'm watching here in the very short term. First of all, I'm considering this here a small ABC structure. This is a 3-wave decline, as you can see. So it could be an ABC structure in a wave 2. This would be too shallow to be reliable. So I prefer a more substantial A, B, C. That means my expectation is at the moment that we are extending this correction a little bit further in this wave 2 in a larger ABC structure, which means the bounce from here somewhere should be corrective in a B wave before the C wave to the downside starts. Standard resistance for the B wave is here between $31.59 and $32. That would be the idea, okay? Of course, that's, as always, only standard resistance. B waves sometimes don't respect these resistances at all, because they are it's just standard resistance, and B waves are very chameleon-like structures. So yeah, we have an ABC structure here, and this ideally is only the A wave. And it could be that this A wave is now completed and the B wave starts. So I'm primarily looking for a corrective rally, which would again be an A, B, C structure in the B wave. That's the preferred scenario. In an alternative, the wave 2 could already be in. Therefore, I am on the lookout for possible 5-wave rallies. But again, it remains only the alternative. What we can do as well is we can check in, even though this is not reliable, but we can check with the FIB time zones, measure the length of and duration of wave 1 to check for the relevant FIB levels and see if possibly this aligns with some ideas. So the relevant next FIB level is at the 1.236 extension of the wave 1. We've arrived there now. It is absolutely possible that the A wave is finished now that it hit today the 1.236 extension. If not here, we might look at the 1.382. Typically, I mean, just sort of looking at some markers, just levels to watch also on the FIB time tool, the 1.618 extension is usually a level to watch, in a wave 2. Sometimes the wave 2 takes as long as the wave 1, and then we're looking here maybe at the 4th of June or the 1.618 extension 29th of May for this correction. This is of course not reliable, but there are some additional indicators to watch as we're navigating this correction. So pay attention now to today's low, which was marked at around $30.64 roughly. And then the B wave rally, we have the resistances on the chart. And then as soon as we have the B wave in place, I can actually give you a target for wave C, because all we have at the moment is just a standard support zone. This is not a target zone. It's just a standard support zone here, highlighted in orange. And then from there, a 3rd wave rally should begin. and that should drive us closer to $40. That's my update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.